Hey guys, your coach here, Ashley Dietrich, and I want to show you really quickly how to make a customized thumbnail for your YouTube videos, and then also how to make a video, a thumbnail, a Facebook post using Canva. So Canva is a really cool site, so I'm just going to share my screen really quickly. Okay, so I'm on canva.com. This is not going to work with you, is it, Ava? Okay, so go to canva.com and you can choose your design. So when I made my Facebook post the other day for my Coach Sneak Peek, I used a photo and chose Facebook post. But now I'm doing a YouTube thumbnail, so I'm going to scroll down to find YouTube thumbnail. Here it is right here. Okay, and then I'm going to upload an image. And I've already put one onto my desktop that I want to use. Okay, right here for an example. And the reason I am going to do this for the first time is because I always happen to get really poor screen grabs. Really poor screen grabs on my YouTube videos. And so I'm going to try to create a little bit nicer one and a little more catchy for the eye. So there my photo is now uploaded. So I'm going to select it. And I'm going to make it a little bigger so it fits this area a little better. Okay, and then I can add, let's see, like a banner or something. So let's say I just want to use some lines. Oh, let's see, how about I choose, and some of them are free and some of them you have to pay for. So it just kind of depends on what you want and what you want to use. Whoops, I don't want that thing. Let's just go with a line. Or you can choose layouts. And you can do something cool like this. You know, choose one of these things. These are already pre-made. So you'd have to choose one where you could put a photo with it if you want to have a photo of yourself. So I'm just going to keep it really simple. And I'm going to do a line. Let's see, what does this line look like? Yep, that'll be fine. So I'm going to take this line, I'm going to move it down here. I don't know, let's say right there. And then I could choose change the color of it if I wanted to. But I don't want it that color, I want it, let's say, yep, that color's good. Let me make it a little darker. Okay, and then I could, you know, make it transparent if I want to, but I'm going to keep it just like that. And then move it over just a little bit. And then I'm going to go over to text. And I can choose my text. And I can have it set up a certain way. If I want to, you know, you can kind of do whatever you want. Let's see if I can find a good one. How about, you know what, let's do this one instead of this line. So take this line, I'm going to delete it. I'm going to bring this here. And then we'll put day 2 sneak peek. into, no, that's what I'm going to put. And then I can make this bigger if I want to. Let's just say, I would probably do something different if I were just kind of doing this on my own, but since I'm doing it to kind of see, to show you guys, I'm just going to leave it a little bit more transparent so it's not so bold. And then that's probably all I'm going to do, just to keep it simple. I don't need a lot of graphics, so that's what it's going to be for me. So then I'm just going to go to download, and I'm going to do image high quality. You could do image for web. It doesn't really matter. If you chose something that had a cost to it, some graphics or backgrounds or shapes or whatever will have be like $1 or something. So then it would show up at that point. Okay, so now my photo's all downloaded. It's not great quality because the photo itself isn't great quality, but this is just for an example. So then I believe I can go back to YouTube. I can choose custom thumbnail. And then I believe if I go to downloads, because I just had to download it, it should be my most recent download. Yes, Day 2 sneak peek, here it is. Okay, so I'm going to choose that and see what that looks like. Give it a second to upload. So there's lots of different things you can do. By no means do you have to do this. But if you're like me and you always have an unfortunate custom thumbnail screen grab, I rarely get a good one. Yesterday mine wasn't too bad. Then this is a good way to go. So I'm going to save changes and see if that worked. Hopefully it did. Oh no. Did it happen? Save changes. Did it work? Let's see. Let's reload the page real quick. And it worked. So there you have it. So now when I post this link in the page, this is what it'll show instead of like this crazy picture with me with my eyes open, or my eyes closed and my mouth open. So anyway, hopefully this helped a little bit, and hopefully it's something that when you have a little bit of spare time, you can try to play around with. It's a great thing to use if you're working from your computer. I don't think Canva has an app. I usually do a lot of my work from my phone, but I'm finding I can create better quality posts when I do them from my computer. So just another thing for you to play around with if you would like to and if you have time. So let me know if you come up with anything cool that you want to share, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.